Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope you all are doing well. Students, the topic we are going to discuss today is from our chapter number 11, and our first topic from this chapter is about triangles and classification of triangles. Okay, as you all know, this is a triangle, and triangle is a word made up of two words. One, tri, and second, angle. Tri means three. Tri means three. So from its name, it's obvious that it's a three-sided figure, right? It has one, two, three sides, three vertices, and three angles, right? A triangle is a three-sided figure with three vertices and three angles and three sides. Understood? Okay, now let's discuss the classification of triangles. Classification of triangles is of two types. One is according to the number of equal sides they have, and secondly according to the types of angles they have, right? So first we will discuss the classification of triangles according to the number of equal sides. According to the number of equal sides, we have three types of triangle. Number one, equilateral. Number two, isosceles. And number three, scalene. Equilateral. An equilateral triangle has all sides of the same length. That means its all three sides will be equal. This is an equilateral triangle, and you can see there is three small marks on each side. These three marks shows that all these three sides are equal. So an equilateral triangle has three equal sides and also three equal angles. And each angle will be equal to 60 degrees, right? Second type is an isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, we have at least two sides of equal length. And also you can see this is an isosceles triangle, and you can see here you have two marks on two sides. That means these two sides are equal, right? And also its base angles will be equal. This is the baseline of the triangle, and these two are the base angles of the triangle. So in isosceles triangle we have at least two equal sides and its base angles are equal, right? The third type of triangle according to the number of equal sides is a scalene triangle. And in a scalene triangle we have the measurements of all the sides different. We have different measurements of all the sides, right? You can see here the marks are different, right? These marks shows that no side will be equal to each other, right? All the three sides have different measurements, and similarly all the three angles will have different measurements, right? So first triangle was equilateral, and in equilateral triangle you have three equal sides and three equal angles, and each angle will be equal to 60 degrees. Second one is isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle you have at least two equal sides and base angles are equal. Third type is a scalene triangle. In a scalene triangle all the three sides have different measurements and all the three angles have different measurements, right? Now let's discuss the second type of classification, that is according to the types of angles they have. And again we have three types. First one is called acute angle triangle, second one is right angle triangle, and third one is obtuse angle triangle. An acute angle triangle is a triangle in which angles will be smaller than 90 degrees. All the three angles will be smaller than 90 degree. Then this type of triangle is called acute angle triangle. Second type is called right angle triangle. In this triangle we have one right angle. We will have one right angle. So this is called a right angle triangle. And third type is obtuse angle triangle. In this you will have at least one angle greater than 90 degrees, right? So this is called an obtuse angle triangle. So what we have discussed today, we have discussed the classification of triangles according to the sides of angles, so according to the sides of equal sides, and secondly according to the types of angles they have, right? Understood? Hope you have understood. We will discuss now interior calculations of interior and exterior angle in our next lessons. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.